Hi, are you interested to know how to create Google Meet link or generate meeting link using your Google Calendar? If yes, keep watching this video. If no, next video ka na lang kaya muna. Let's get started. So first, of course, you have to log in using your Google account. Once log in, click these 9 buttons, then select Calendar. Now, say for example, you have asynchronous class or virtual class every Monday and Wednesday. And it will start on August 23 at 1 o'clock p.m. until 2:30 in the afternoon. So just select the date by clicking it and then click create. Now you will be asked to name the schedule. You can name it with the subject and the grade level you're handling. So for example, Christian Living 7. Here you can change the name, the time. So since I have it from 1 o'clock, I'll have it here 1 p.m. until 2:30 p.m. Click enter. And then if you want this to remind you every Monday and Wednesday, click on this drop down button, then select custom. I will select here Monday and Wednesday. It means that every Monday and Wednesday, this will remind me that I have a virtual class or synchronous class every Monday and Wednesday. Just make sure that these days are highlighted or shaded with blue. If you're done, simply click done. And then, so here, weekly on Monday and Wednesday, you have a schedule at 1 o'clock p.m. until 2:30. Now, if you want to generate the meeting link or the meet link, simply click this button, add Google Meet video conferencing. Then there, it will right away generate your meeting link for your class. If you want to copy this, just highlight this. Make sure to completely highlight the meeting link, then right click, copy it to your chat box, your class chat box, or your GC, your group chat, or your Google Classroom, or the LMS that you're using. You can also copy by clicking this. So it's copied, and you will just simply paste it again to your group chat, Google Classroom, or the LMS that your school is using. You can also invite here your students. You can invite them as guests. So once you invite them, they will receive a reminder that they have a synchronous meeting on the schedule, and they will also receive the Google Meet link. So type in the email address of your student if you want to invite them. So for example, okay, so once you're done typing, just click on enter, and then there you go. I just invited one student. If you want to invite more, just click their email address, and then again click on enter. There you go. You just finish creating your Google Meet link, and at the same time, you were able to invite your students and, of course, schedule your synchronous class um, in a very organized manner. So, yan, once you're done, you can just click on save. Here it says if you click send, it means that your students or your guests will receive an invitation via email.